This is a vintage Homelite 2000 automatic chainsaw. I think it's 115cc. It's really big and heavy. It's got a 30-inch bar on it, hard tip. It's not in the worst condition. Apparently it runs, but yeah, it's nice and clean in there. There's a problem with the decompressor. I can hear it's stuck open. It's got like the start position there and the run position, but I can hear it chuffing out the decompressor on both, so I think the rod's disconnected or something. Fairly tidy. There's no chain on it though, but I got a sampled chain. Just needs a clean up. It's covered in oil. I think it's a 1968, so yeah. Another muscle saw. Okay, I'm going to take the muffler off. I've started making a decompressor valve. This just turned up that out of a spark plug tool. So get this muffler off. Ooh. Basically almost straight through. See what that piston looks like. Not scored. There, I made a new decompressor valve that just goes in there. I need to make a spring. I've got a box full of springs. I'll see if I can find something which is close. It's I've got some tension springs which I might be able to turn into like a hairpin spring. It's just a bit hard trying to get this in with one hand. I'll have to put the camera down. Oh, there we go. So that's in the off position, and that's open. And that, yeah, that's sealing. Yeah, I need something I can unroll. This one looks about right. Yeah, that fits on there, and I need to try and unroll some to make a bit which goes up to there. This is how you unroll a spring. It actually works better than I thought. There we go. Works nicely. Open and close. Didn't cost anything. It was pretty easy to make.